let's see how to use the late mark option from the attendance. Go to attendance and click on late mark. So you will find the calendar of the current month. Now click on the date on which the student is late. Enter the student name here. Select the student. Now select the timing on which the student was late. Now click on save. You can use this a toggle if the student is early going, but as of now the student is late, so this toggle is off. Now click on save. Now this student has a late count 0, total count 1, and you can report this by clicking here report. The student reported as late successfully. Now you can see there are 2 students which are late on this particular day.